Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to show you the use of Docker images and search images. This is the part 2 of Docker 0 to Hero series. DevOps in Action channel is more focused on DevOps in easy way. You always found complexity in simplicity here. Each video's guide is available in video's description. Here will be action. A channel name is DevOps in Action. Let's jump to the lab without any delay. So open the GitHub link for the second part. You can find out the Docker 0 to Hero series in my GitHub repo. Select the Docker 0 to Hero series and open the day 0 Docker images. But before that, what is the Docker images? Okay, Docker image is a lightweight and standalone executable package that include everything needed to run a piece of software, including the code, runtime, libraries, and dependencies. Right? It is immutable and layered. We will cover these options in when we cover the Docker images deep dive. From the beginning, we just going through the basics. That's the reason we are not covering all these things, right? Also, the main advantage of the Docker images is its portability. Portable, you can pull from anywhere and when Docker images stored in the registry like Docker Hub, or you can store in your private registry. We will see also private registry in the upcoming. So why search of Docker images? Searching for Docker images allow you to find pre-built images and popular software like Nginx, Python, MySQL. Instead of opening Docker Hub, let me show you. When you click on the Docker Hub, you can directly find it from here as well. The same thing. Okay, you can find the same thing here as well. Let's say I want to find Nginx, then go here and find out. Let's see Nginx, right? So similar thing you can find from GUI as well from the terminal, but the difference is the sorting. So when you use CLI from the terminal, you can do the sorting. Also, it saves time reusing community maintained and official images. Ensure you are using trusted and optimized images for your projects, right? So step to work the Docker images, this is the basic thing. Let's see one by one. Search for images with the specified name in Docker Hub. Okay, this is the search command, which again search in the Docker Hub repo here, but again from the CLI. Okay, let's open the CLI. Let's say I want to search Nginx. Okay, you can see here, let me just size it. You can see here multiple Nginx copy available. This is the official build of Nginx, and rest of the things multiple Nginx available by the different of purpose. Okay, you can use any of them, right? This is basically sorted by the star. Most of the downloaded done by the official build images, and after that it's downloaded Nginx in is again used by Kubernetes ingress controller. Next one is the ingress Prometheus exporter. Again, this is for the observability, and rest of the things we will see later on. Okay, the next command is search with the limit of 5 image. If you don't want to limit, if you don't want to see the this kind of all the things, just limit it simply. Again, Nginx, so it will show you only 5 popular output based on the star, right? And again, let's say if you want to see search images with the automated build by the any tool. So let's see again here. and you can see here nothing is available. Okay, so let's see, if you want to interested to find out the official images only, okay, official images of Nginx, then you can find out like this, right? Official images, only one command you can see in the output, the official. And similar to, you can see node as well if you want to see. Okay, so you can see here the star and official images. And if you want to search the images with the minimum number of star, okay, minimum number of star must be there. In this case it will be in output. So you can see here again I am sorting the same thing. Here you can see minimum number stars available in these Nginx images, right? And you can search images with the your custom format. We will see custom formatting in the later on in the Docker PS maybe. Okay, again see here Nginx, we sorted the name and its description. So you can see here Nginx, and this is the official build of Nginx. And Nginx ingress, you can see here Nginx plus ingress controller for Kubernetes. Okay, search images and include truncated description, you can use this one also. And if you want to search quickly without output, then you can also do the things. And after searching, what you can do, you need to download that images for your daily uses. So for that you need to do the docker command. Docker pull, basically what it do, it will pull the nginx from the docker hub repo from here. When I click on the nginx, you can see here the same command you can find out here. Okay, let's see, copy and paste it, the same command, both are the same command, you can see here. Okay, if you want to sort the tag, if you want to use the older version and some other version, okay, you can see here tag stable perl and stable bookworm perl and multiple tag line you can see here. So I will cover these things docker in a docker advanced images section. Okay, this is the beginning part of docker images, that's the reason we will explain it in the advanced options. Again, docker images command, the what it do, it will show you the all images in your machine. Okay, you can see here, and I am using sort commands. I already covered how you can use the sort command for docker, kubernetes, ansible, terraform, and all the DevOps tools we already covered. On this topic there are I think 3 to 4 videos available. I will also put in the link in the description. Okay, so run a container, it is very simple, I already covered in the previous part, you can see here. And after that you can simply what was the port, 8080, you can see here docker is running, right? So we will see advanced docker command, but as of now am I available. If you remove the images, you can just put the first docker repository name and after that put the colon, and let's say I don't want to use the alpine one. So if you want to remove docker images, put the command docker rmi and after that repository name colon and tag. This is very simple thing. Now once you remove, you can see here the Alpine one, right? And I added one more thing here. In this series of Docker 0 to hero, I'm going to use images as well. Okay, this is public images, but yes, we will use it mostly to show you the Docker command usage. And again, for contributing, yes, contribution or welcome. If you want to contribute, then you can do it. Okay, I think that is enough for this part. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.